Is TaskPay really the easy money maker it claims to be, or just another too-good-to-be-true online scheme? The platform boldly promises users can earn up to $500 simply by completing surveys and referring friends, an offer that sounds incredibly tempting, especially to those looking for fast cash from home. But once we started digging, some serious red flags quickly came to light. First off, the site claims to have been operating for over 3 years, yet the domain was only registered in 2024, which clearly doesn't add up. That's a huge warning sign for any platform claiming legitimacy. Then there's the complete lack of transparency. There's no real company name, no official address, and no mention of who's actually behind this operation. It's nearly impossible to find any legitimate contact information or business credentials. Once you land on the site, you're immediately hit with aggressive pop-ups, spammy bonus offers, and flashy messages urging you to act fast, all of which are common tactics used to lure users into shady programs. What's even more contradictory is that TaskPay encourages users to be social to get paid, yet it has absolutely no real presence on major social media platforms, no followers, no posts, nothing that builds trust or community. The positive reviews you see? Most of them look fake, and several chat screenshots and so-called payout proofs seem completely fabricated or recycled. We also checked the platform safety score on eveninsights.com and found it rated very poorly, reinforcing our suspicions. So, is TaskPay legit or a scam? Based on what we found, it sits in a gray area filled with deception and unanswered questions. It's not the worst-looking scam site out there, but it definitely doesn't pass the credibility test. If you're serious about earning money online, you might want to think twice before investing your time or your personal data into this platform.